Hi viewers, welcome to Knowledge Zone channel. In this video, we will see a program to check whether a given letter is a vowel or not. Everyone knows the vowel is A, E, I, O, U. And here we are going to write a Python code to check whether a given character is a vowel or not. I am going to type this program in the Python editor and I will show the execution of the program. Okay, let's begin with that. CH equal to input. Input is a statement. Input is a function which is used to get the input from the user. Within the codes, you can type any message. Just we are asking the user to give some value. So I am giving here like enter a character. So that will be displayed in the screen, in the output screen. Enter a character, then the user will enter a particular character. It should be given in double quotation. That shows it is a string, it is a message, and then the opening and closing brackets are there for the input function. Then this input, whatever user is giving, will be stored in the variable ch. Ch is a character type. In that I am storing that value. Then I am going to use the if statement to check whether the given one is vowel or not. Given character is a vowel or not. Okay. Then ch is the user input. In is a membership operator. In and not in are the membership operator. In is used to check whether that letter is present in this set of letters. Set of characters. We are checking in the set of characters. And not only for the character, you can use it for the strings, and in list mainly the in statements are used. And here in ch, if you type some letter like E, then it will be checking in the given list whether that E is there or not. Then based on that you will be getting a result. Okay. Now here in this if statement, I am typing all the vowels one by one in single quotation, that is a character constant, and separate everything by comma and give all this in a enclose it in a bracket. Then in operator will be checking whether it is there or not. Put a colon at the end. Then in the next line you have to give some intending. Then you continue with the next statement. This indicates you can have set of statements within this if. It is considered as a code block here. We are using the print statement which is used to print a value and a message. And opening bracket is there. It is a function. In ch we have got the character from the user node that we are giving in ch, and E is a vowel is a message that is given in quotes that will be printed. Then close that bracket. Then we will move on to the next line. This set of statement is for finding whether it is a vowel. Then next I am writing the else part, which will check for the remaining other characters. After else, colon is needed. Give the colon. Then with intending, type the next set of statement. Print is a function. It is checking like it is not a vowel here. We are printing the message like it is not a vowel. In ch you have typed the character E, and E is not a vowel. Whatever message you want, you can give it here. I have shown here the format for the print statement, syntax of the print statement. The value SCP is used as a separator. End is equal to /n is a new line character. Close the quotes, close the bracket. Don't forget to close the bracket. Now that's it, the program. So in this program we are getting input from the user, and using the in operator, membership operator, we are checking whether that letter is present in that vowel. If it is so, we are printing it like it is a vowel. Else we are giving the message like it is not a vowel. Then the next step is we are going to execute this one. So first of all you have to save the Python program, then only you can do the execution. So go to the file menu and click the save option. or you can use the Control S to save a file, and in this location you choose it wherever you want to store the file. Give a file name with the extension .py. py is the Python extension. I am giving a file name like vowel.py. Click the save button. Now your file is saved. Next step is execution of the Python code. To execute the code, you have to go to the run menu and click run module. You have a run menu at the top. In the menu bar, click the run menu and select the run module, or you can click the F5 button, function key F5. Then you will come to the Python prompt, Python shell. So enter a character, which is a message we have given in the input statement. That enter a character will appear. Here we have to type any character. I am giving here the letter O. And we will be getting answer like O is a vowel, and immediately you are getting a prompt. So this will move to the if part. In the if part only I have specified using in operator whether it is a vowel. So you are getting answer like O is a vowel and then the prompt. Then you will be getting a answer for this program now. Now you are thorough with this small and simple Python program. If you want to see more programs, please subscribe the channel. Thank you everybody.